guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV, talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the navigation is located, which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. We'll need to actually guys check 4 different fuses for the navigation, 4 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. So let's explain where they're located, where you can expect to find them. We'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV. We will start with the fuse box. That's guys, okay, on the inside, okay. Let's give it a second to load the material that we need here. That's the inside of your CRV. Under the dash guys, if you look all the way up above the pedals on the left side, you're going to see that you have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Now before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here is which fuses we need to check. 2 fuses we need to check here, then we need to go to a different fuse box, and if we zoom in you can see clearly the numbers next to the fuses, and the fuse guys that we'll need to check for the navigation is fuse number 19 right here, fuse number 19. Then we need to check fuse number 25 right here, 10M fuse 25. Then we need to go to the engine bay fuse box. This one will be, okay, under the hood. If you open the hood on your CRV right here, that's the engine fuse box on the right side. And if you open it, you will see that layout here. That will be the front of the vehicle. That will be towards the windshield side. We have it sideways so we can show you with the great detail. Here we need to check 2 fuses. And one of them guys is fuse right here 29, that last fuse. That actually will be the very front fuse facing the fuse box. Then you have that multi-block fuse that consists of 11 individual fuses. That's what it looks like. That's the side view. And if one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse box. That's the bad news. Good news, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price and quick shipping. Here you will need to check 1 fuse in that multi-block fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 2 right here, that 60M fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.